In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate effectively in Google Sheets. Google Sheets is designed for teamwork, and its collaboration features mean you never have to juggle different file versions again. Let's walk through how it all works so your team can move faster and stay aligned. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. First, co-editing happens in real time. Multiple people can open the same spreadsheet and work together simultaneously, and you'll see their changes appear instantly. Every edit is saved automatically to the cloud, so everyone is always on the most current version without hitting save. You'll also notice color-coded cursors that highlight each person's active cell with a name tag, which makes it easy to see who's working where and avoid stepping on each other's toes. To communicate and give feedback, use comments. Select a cell or range, leave your note, and mention a teammate with the plus or @ symbol to notify them. You can also assign the comment as a task so the right person knows it's theirs to resolve. If several people are in the file at the same time, a built-in chat lets you discuss quick questions without leaving the sheet. For longer updates, open the File menu and email collaborators directly from the document. Control who can do what with sharing permissions. When you share, choose the appropriate role. Viewer can only look, commenter can add comments and suggestions, and editor can change data and formulas and, unless restricted, reshare the file. For sensitive content, protect specific cells, ranges, or entire sheets so even editors can't alter critical data. You can also restrict downloading, printing, or copying for viewers and commenters, and set access to expire on a certain date for temporary collaborators. Tracking and management features help you keep order. Version history records every change with timestamps and editor names. You can review what changed and restore any previous state. A helpful tip is to name important versions before big updates. When you need to analyze data independently, create a filter view. It lets you sort or filter without affecting what others see. To stay informed, set notification rules so you receive an email when changes occur or when new rows are added. And for eligible accounts, viewer metrics show who has viewed the file and trends over time. With these tools, your team can co-edit confidently, communicate clearly, and protect your data while moving work forward in Google Sheets. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.